yet. I'm going to go now. Let's be fast. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to clone yourself in a video. So, the first thing I did was to shoot 2 videos. The first video was where I was applying makeup. So, I was sitting down and applying makeup, and then talking to my other self, my invisible self that was coming into the room. Alright, and then the second video was where I was coming into the room and then talking to another invisible me, sitting down on the chair, applying makeup, that she should be fast, right? So that was the 2 short videos I did. So let's go into the editing part. So stay tuned and watch the end of the video to see how I did it. The other important thing you have to do is you have to prepare your scripts, like the first character and the second character, right? You have to make sure that you write down your scripts, what you're going to do, what the first person is going to say, what the second person is going to say, because you don't want to make mistakes with that, right?
Alright, so we'll be using the InShot app for the editing of our cloning video. So I'm going to click on video. I've already downloaded. If you don't have InShot app on your phone, go over to Play Store or App Store and download the InShot app. So I'm going to click on video and then click on new. Alright, so I've seen the video. I'm going to click on it. So this is the first video, my first video, where I was sitting down and then talking to someone at the door when there was no one at the door, right? Alright, so now I'm going to import the second video. So I'm going to go to the point where I want second video to come in. I want this one to play out for a little while before I import the second video. So to import the second video, I'm gonna click on PIP. This PIP is the same thing with overlay. You can see overlay in other editing apps, but in InShot it's called PIP. So I'm going to click on that. So once I click on PIP, it's going to allow me to import the second video, right? So when I click on that, I can click on it and then just take me to my camera roll. Then I can now scroll to get the second video. Alright, so I have the second video here. I am going to drag it to fit into the screen. Drag it till it turns red. So now I am now going to click on mask. You see that it's covered the first video. The second video covered the first video. We can no longer see the first video. So what I'm going to do to bring out the first video is to click on mask. You see mask just in between chroma and filter, right? So just click on mask and then you see the options. I'm just going to click on the second one. Then when I click on second one, I'm not going to drag the second video, because the second video should be by the left, right? So I'm going to drag it to the left side. Then I'll now leave it. So I've dragged it to the left hand side, and I'm going to shift it so that it's at the center. Then yeah, that's it. So but then you see the hash line, there's a hash line, it doesn't look smooth, right? So I'm going to go back to mask so that it can enable me to smoothen the line so that it won't look like I tiled something, right? So I'm going to go back to mask. You see this green circle, just drag it to the right, because I dragged my second video to the left. I'm going to drag this green circle to the right, so that I'm going to do it so that it won't cover the frame. So as I drag the green circle to the right, you can see that the hash line is now good. Let's try and play it. You can see that it is now smooth, the hash line is gone, and everything is now smoothed out. Alright, so when I'm satisfied with the editing, I'm going to click on this mark here. Then you see this InShot logo, the watermark InShot. I don't like seeing it. I don't know, I don't like seeing that watermark in my videos, so I have to remove it. I'm using the InShot free account, and you can only remove it when you pay for InShot. Do you understand? Pay, remove permanently 1.6 to remove InShot, that watermark permanently. You pay 1.6, and or you have InShot free, right? So I want to remove it for free. You can click on this free remove. So when you click on the free remove, InShot to start showing you things like apps you should get or other things. So just click on it. Just click on it. So when you click on it, I will not necessarily download this app, right? I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to click on done and then cancel. And then when I go back, the InShot watermark is gone, so I can download my video without the InShot watermark.
Alright, so that's it on how to clone yourself in a video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.